Guangdong SSL Technology Co., Ltd. is located in Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province. With over a decade of experience in manufacturing commercial blenders, SSL is a comprehensive enterprise that integrates research and development, production, sales, and export of commercial appliances. Backed by a team of highly experienced engineers, we are committed to developing unique, innovative commercial blending products that meet the evolving needs of our global customers. From design, performance, intelligence, to user experience, we continually refine and elevate our products, building a distinctive competitive edge for our brand. After more than 10 years of dedicated R&D and manufacturing, we now offer over 80 high-performance blender models, many of which are protected by design patents. Expanding our product range, we've introduced coffee bean grinders, food choppers, and more to meet diverse market demands. We have a semi-automated injection molding workshop, with dozens of semi-automated injection molding machines and other advanced equipment. Our split-line assembly approach enables a seamless transition from parts to finished products, which enables strictly control the quality of production at every stage. With 3 production lines, monthly production capacity up to 35,000 units, all production processes operate in accordance with the ISO 9001 management system. With years of developing, now SSL possess plant area more than 25,000 square meters. With high quality and safe raw materials and imported accessories selected for production. We have a strict selection mechanism for incoming materials, ensuring the stability of production demand and product quality. Strict testing standards, obedient attitude, and a professional product testing department which conduct 24-hour multi-layer testing of products. Comprehensive evaluation to ensure high standards. Our products hold certifications including CE, CB, EMC, UKCA, SAA, ROSE, LFGB, GCC, REACH. The company adheres to the business philosophy of integrity, innovation, and win-win. High quality, attentive services, and robust after-sales support have earned us a global presence, reaching markets across Europe, Africa, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. We are proud to partner with over 120 well-known brands worldwide, establishing trusted collaborations both locally and abroad. In the future, SSL will continue to maintain a rapid pace, focus on fields, explore and innovate. SSL is committed to creating a better, more reliable, and convenient purchasing experience for global merchants.